Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 11. First thing first, click on the Start menu icon. Select Settings from the list and in the Settings window, click on Windows Update from the left-hand sidebar. Under the More Options section, find Pause Updates. Click the drop-down menu and choose how long you want to pause updates, up to 5 weeks. Now, after the pause period ends, Windows will automatically resume updates. If you need more time, you can manually pause them again once the previous pause expires. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.